Hello everyone, and today we're making French fries. For that we need potatoes, paprika, salt, Italian herbs, garlic, avocado oil spray. Yeah, and that's it. To start, we will grab the potatoes and peel it. Now we do this. Done with the potatoes, we put away the peels, move them aside. And I almost forgot, before you put it in the potato cutter, you gotta grab the knife and split it in half. We put the potatoes and squeeze! The next potato. Next one. This one's really big. I guess I have to cut it in half. Let me cut this in half. Oops, it fell. It's fine. The 5-second rule works. Now we can place it in the apple cutter. The potato cutter. My bad. Oh, it does not fit. Let's try this way. Actually, no, this way. Oh, yeah, now it fits. Yeah. One done. You go for the two. Two done. And now we go for the 3. Yeah, I don't think this fits. But still, let's do this. Okay, now we have a bunch of slices. Yay! Oops. Yeah. Now we pour it in the bowl. Now we can put in the Italian herbs, the salt, the paprika. Now we gotta mix it. It's like this. Now grab the garlic. Now we mix it all together. Grab the spray. Spray it all. Mix it again. Okay, so I washed my hands and grabbed a spoon. So now I take this and put everything in for the basket for the air fryer. Just like this, and yeah. Okay, so now we can take it out. Ooh, this looks yummy. We can pour it in like this. All of it away. And now we grab the second basket and also pour it onto the plate. Just like this. Put away the second basket. And now let's try. It's hot. Be careful. So good. I'm gonna take some more actually. You should try it. It's a really good recipe.